Doc, ayoko talaga magpa-botox, ayoko mag-freeze yung face ko, ayoko magmukhang fake, ayoko magmukhang gawang-gawa. Yan yung mga common misconceptions na naririnig ko sa patients ko when they first come in and I recommend both. Botox is both a prevention and a treatment. The prevention muna. So I have some patients na as early as mid-20s nagpapa-botox na. And I do recommend it for them kasi yung genes nila for wrinkles ang lakas, no? So, bata pa lang, 25 pa lang, pag tinaas yung kilay, grabe, no? Hiwang-hiwa ng ganyan. It means you have the genetic predisposition to develop wrinkles. Pag hindi ka nag-botox na maaga, mababaon lahat yung lines mo as early as your 30s, 40s if you don't do any prevention. Important ng botox, we don't put a lot, lalo na pagbata. We just want to relax the muscles a little bit. We don't want it to freeze para naman hindi ma-express yung lines all the time. And by the time na makarating ka nga ng, 40s, 50s, pangit na talaga siya tingnan. Hiwang-hiwa na yung face mo. Isipin nyo yun, it's a prevention. And we only put a little. So, fresh talaga, not frozen. Pangalawa, treatment. So, maganda sa Botox, you will really see the result in 1 week. Talagang pag pinataas ko yung kilay mo or pinag-smile kita after 1 week, visibly diminished na yung wrinkles or yung mga hiwa. In our clinic, we really don't put aggressive or maraming dose, especially on your first visit. We always ask you to come back after 1 to 2 weeks for a free retouch. Kasama na yun sa babayaran mo sa package mo. Para we can see and we can discuss with you kung ano pa ba yung gusto mong dagdagan or yung iba kong patients, Doc, okay na yan. No? Kahit may lines pa when they smile, nag-improve na pero for them, happy na sila. Gusto nila kasi soft look lang. They don't want more, so edi we agree na, okay na. So, at least nagkaroon ng discussion na parang ito lang yung gusto ko, Doc, okay na. Or if you want to add more, then we can add. Mas okay ng kulang kaysa sobra. Pag sobra, wala na tayong magana. So, Botox doesn't have to be frozen. Hindi rin siya halata if done well. Gusto natin mag-freshen ka lang. And gusto natin ma-prevent na magkaroon ka ng deep lines when you grow old. So if you're interested in getting Botox and you still have some questions, come visit us sa clinic.